Hello everyone, this is Mauricio here at Tickle Laser Creations, and today we are going to be working on a quick assembly of my Tealight boxes for Christmas. Here we have the side panels. This is a tracing paper. I use a little strip in there. That's the bottom, the lid, the little nut that goes on top of the lid. That's the top frame for the box, and the alignment piece for the lid. Pretty simple. We just got the bottom, and then we insert the panels. It's a six-sided box, so we just insert the sides of the panels in there. A little tap with a hammer. It's a nice and tight fit, and we just continue to do that one by one, and we just add the top ring that completes the box. Then we assemble the lid with the alignment ring. Then I'm adding the tracing paper here just for a nice effect when you put the Tealight inside. It's in the LED Tealight, so there's no danger of burning anything. Put it in there and voila. Very nice. Perfect for Christmas. I have 6 different designs in this little box. I hope you guys all enjoy. Until next time.